Hi, welcome to today's class, which deals with dates, cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are also known as counting numbers because they show quantity. Ordinal numbers tell the order of things in a set. Ordinal numbers do not show quantity. They show rank or position. They're also used in English for dates. While a cardinal number refers to several objects, for example, 3 apples, an ordinal number refers only to one of those, the 3rd apple. Here are some more examples of how cardinal numbers are used. There were 3 competitors. I have 4 sisters. He is 5 years old. And for ordinal numbers, he finished 3rd in the race. The 4th person was tallest. November 5th is bonfire night in England. So here's a list of the cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1,000, 1 million. And for the ordinal numbers, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. So notice here that with ordinal numbers, from numbers 4 upwards, we're adding a th to the numbers. The only exceptions are numbers 1, 2, and 3. "21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100th, 1,000th, 1 millionth. Ordinal numbers are commonly used for dates. The order in which to write dates varies depending on what country you live in. In the United Kingdom, dates are written in the following order: day, month, and then year. So this can be said the 13th of December 2009 or December 13th, 2009. In the United States, dates are written in the following order. So the month first, then the day, and then the year, which is said December 13th, 2009 or the 13th of December 2009. In addition, there are special ways in which prepositions are used. So we use in for months, years, and seasons. For example, in May, In 1987. In spring. And we use on for exact dates and days of the week. On May 12th. On Sunday. So a little bit of practice now. Convert these cardinal numbers into ordinal ones. Read the following ordinal numbers. Match the numbers in column A with the numbers in column B. Complete these sentences using in or on. For example, my birthday is in October. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.